Hello and welcome to Nirmal Bang, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Hiral Daria. We have with us Kunal Shah, Head of Commodities Research, joining in. Kunal, welcome to the show. Let's start with overall what's happening with the dollar index again. Clearly, if you go to see, there is some bit of firmness that we are seeing. There is a threat with regards to where the Delta virus goes. And there is a big bullish pattern that we've been witnessing on the dollar index as well. Are you expecting this trend to continue?
Yeah. So first of all, I'll explain on you the fundamentals. What is happening? Yes, like you rightly pointed out, the Delta virus strain is spreading across the world quite rapidly. In Western world, UK, Europe, US, again in Asia, Indonesia, South Korea. These are the economies who are battling a COVID crisis. This is not stopping. But what has changed overnight? On Friday, Dow Jones was down by 300 points. Today also, Dow futures are down by 300 points. So what is gone wrong? So there is a divergence taking place between the Western economies and the emerging market economies. So, like for example, Russia is planning to increase rate one more time because they are battling inflation. They have to raise the interest rate. So on one hand, US is continuously printing, and on the other hand, Russia is trying to increase the interest rate. So it's a very different world. Earlier, if US is on the verge of cutting rate or not hiking the rate, even we've seen that was not happening. Second thing, dollar index, like everyone feared, 93 was the level. It has just breached that, and it is right now trading at 92.90. I think once it goes above 93, 93.10, I think there'll be a panic sell-off in all asset class. So maybe metals, maybe oil, maybe gold, silver. So watch out for it. Right now, it is trading at 92.90 right now, as of now when we are talking. So 92.94. It made a high of 93 today, and 93.10 it made a high. And right now, I am of the view that it will again, go above 93. And the moment it go above 93, all the stop loss will be triggered on the international bourses. So today, commodity looks weak. Which are the commodity which looks fundamentally very weak? Oil and metals. Okay, oil and metals should go down, including gold and silver. But oil, there is a development. There has been a deal reached within the OPEC Plus where every month till September 2022 they are going to increase the production by 4 lakh barrels. So हर महीने ओपेक अपना प्रोडक्शन 4 लाख बैरल से बढ़ाएगा, 4 लाख बैरल every month. So if you take that into 12 months, ओपेक का प्रोडक्शन आने वाले 12 महीने में 5 मिलियन बैरल से बढ़ जाएगा. So that is not very positive news from the long term point of view. So ऑयल भी मुझे लग रहा है सेल करना चाहिए. 5300 के 5260, 5270 sell oil. 5340 should be a stop loss. और on the downside आपको टारगेट रखना होगा फिर से 5180, 5150 ऐसे टारगेट्स आपको ऑयल में देखने मिल सकते हैं. Metals too look weak. I explained you on Friday also. Metal, my view is not bullish. I continue with the same view. Copper 726, 727 sell. Put a stop loss of 731. Target 718, 715. चाइना का रेट कट आने के बाद भी कॉपर के प्राइसेस बढ़ नहीं पा रहे हैं, और ग्लोबल फ्रंट पे डॉलर इंडेक्स स्ट्रांग हो रहा है. सो निकल भी मुझे आज बेचने के लिए लग रहा है. 1435-36 के मैं निकल बेचूंगा. मैं 1445 का स्टॉप लॉस रखूंगा और 1420 के टारगेट्स के लिए मैं वेट करूंगा, क्योंकि आज फंडामेंटल्स सभी मेटल्स के, सभी कमोडिटीज के अच्छे नजर नहीं आ रहे हैं. फंडामेंटल्स क्यों अच्छे नजर नहीं आए? क्योंकि डॉलर इंडेक्स स्ट्रांग हो रहा है. अगर आप इंडियन करेंसी भी देखेंगे, बिकॉज ऑफ द स्ट्रॉन्गर डॉलर, इंडियन करेंसी वर्सेस डॉलर इज ट्रेडिंग एट 74.96. Day before yesterday that was 74.70. So 26 पैसे वीकनेस हमने इंडियन करेंसी में भी देख ली है. मुझे लग रहा है कल मॉर्निंग को इंडियन करेंसी भी गैप अप ओपन देगा आपको 75.20, 75.30. So do not try to remain short. I think the trend is on the currency. USD INR pair will depreciate further. गोल्ड और सिल्वर फंडामेंटल अच्छे लग रहे हैं मुझे, बट आज जब डॉलर स्ट्रांग हो रहा है तो मैं क्यों आज ही बाय करूं? मुझे दिख रहा है आज डॉलर स्ट्रांग हो रहा है, तो मैं वेट करूंगा एक दिन और 47,950 960 के बीच में ट्रेडिंग के लिए मैं बेचूंगा, 48,200 का स्टॉप लॉस रखूंगा और 48,750 में 47,750 में मैं ये मेरी पोजीशन कवर कर दूंगा. So I think gold and silver, because dollar is strengthening, they can also come under pressure. But fundamentals are not bearish for gold at all. So
Right.
yeah.
And Kunal, there's a question coming in that you had suggested buying with regards to bullion on Friday. So should we hold the position or
Yeah,
exit?
yeah. I think you should exit the position. I'll be very blunt. I told that once it goes come down to 48,000, 48,050. Those are the levels you should buy. And today morning it went to 170, but dollar index is strengthening. So हमारा इंडियन रुपी आज अभी ऑलमोस्ट आधा% कमजोर है, फिर भी गोल्ड और सिल्वर आप अगर कॉमिक्स देखेंगे तो ज़्यादा डाउन है, पर इंडियन रुपी में तो अगर अभी फिलहाल 100 से 150 रुपये और गोल्ड नीचे होना चाहिए था. सो एग्जिट फॉर द टाइम बिंग. नीचे में फिर से मैं आपको बताऊंगा कहाँ पे ऐड करना है.
Right. So that's the view coming in gold, metals, and crude maybe. Kunal, anything on the agri commodity side?
एग्री में गुआर सीड में तेजी है बिकॉज ऑफ सोइंग डिले हो गई है, तो क्रॉप में इम्पैक्ट आएगा. बट मुझे लग रहा है अगर ऑयल नीचे आता है तो इवन गुआर में भी थोड़ा सेंटिमेंटली प्रेशर आएगा, तो आज तो गुआर सीड भी बेचना चाहिए.
Okay, so overall selling pressure है आज के session में. Thank you, Kunal, so much for joining in. Thank you, participants as well.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.